Namaskar. Now I'm going to present about the convergence and sustainability of Kasi in Bihar. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss about what we created kind of collaboration during SRFSI project with this different agencies and programs, and followed by I will discuss about how we can make a kind of sustainable model for future. So friends, this journey was started with a lot of struggle because the area was new, Pune. First time we were working for Kasi, promotion of Kasi. So I think initial days, Jivika and SHG groups helped a lot, especially when we entered through the SHGs. It was a really credible, and we started our work. So we develop a kind of collaboration with Jivika, and which is having the strong presence and across the Bihar. In fact, around 6.4 lakhs SHGs are there. Other than that, they are exclusive working by the small and marginal farmers. So in our, in fact, contact farmers, mostly they were very small and marginal farmers. Other than that, they are working for the livelihood generation. So it was a kind of income generation activities. So on that way, we started our journey, and later on, in fact, after some time, Dehat also we collaborated with Dehat under SRFSI project, and basically they are working for 360-degree solutions, one-stop solutions. They are providing inputs. They are also trying to give services, different kind of services, advisory also, and they have a two kind of system. One is about the digital, another is about offline, what we call micro entrepreneurs. So this is a kind of self-sustaining model, and they purchase machineries like leveler, land laser leveler, and other things, and acting as a service providers also. Other than that, universities also SFSI project. We took a lot of technical supports from the universities, and we help also took the services of ICT. Other than that, CRA project, it is a mega project. I will discuss in fact later on. And other than we have a project like BIP, which is run by BAU support. Other than that, we have a Krishi Vigyan Kendra at local level, and they have also strong network. So we also took help from them, and they used to conduct a different field day exposure visits and other kinds. So accordingly, we collaborated. Other than that, we have a college in Pune itself, and so scientists of that particular college also helped a lot, especially that. So on that way, it was a kind of a system. So under SRFSI project, only we are not only just demonstrated the technology, or we scaled out, or we promoted that technology, but other than that, we tried to develop a kind of platforms, what we call innovation platforms, or kind of system which can at least work for the future. So still, Dehat is doing wonderful job, and other agencies also doing the things. So the point is that other, in fact, mega programs going on now, like Farmer First programs. It is working in Bhagalpur and Munger districts, and promoting about Kasi and other livelihood generation activities. Other than that, there is a mega project of CSV and funded by the government of Bihar. In fact, NABARD as well. So they are promoting about the climate smart agriculture technologies. Other than that, CRA project, I don't think so any government is promoting on that way, big way. All the 38 districts of Bihar, this project is running with the collaboration of the different agencies, include BAU Sabor, RPCU PUSA, ICAR, BISA, even IRI. So this is a kind of mega project, and 100% funded by the state government. So you can understand the sensitivity of the government, and now they are only thinking Jal Jeevan Haryali under that project, that program. So this is a project, and this is a mega project, and lot of demonstration, lot of machinery they are providing to the farming community. Other than that, they are providing subsidy as well. And now we have a BIP project, which is we are trying to understand the role of behavioral economics in adoption process of the Kasi technology, especially. And we did about the kind of focus group discussions, household survey, KIIs. Now we are just conducting RCT to understand about actual the role of behavioral economics in adoption process. So you can see that only the Bihar state government is having an agriculture roadmap program. So this is a third roadmap from 2017 to 21. You can see here, these are the targets in this particular roadmap. And like for direct ceded rights, you see the total amount is around 53,500 lakhs rupees allocated for this. They are providing subsidy, 2,000 rupees, and they are giving some different inputs under that. And there are different CASI technologies you can see here, like zero tillage wheat, zero tillage lentil, and other intercropping. So they are having the targets, and they are giving a lot of money. They are pumping a lot of money to just for demonstration, for machineries, for R&D purpose. So friends, if you'd like to sustain this ATS learning and this much of the systems, so for me, like Bihar government at grassroots level, there is a lot of extension functionaries are working, and due to they are not, in fact, due to lack of capacity building, they are unable to execute. There is a policy, there is a mechanism to give them subsidy farming community, but they are only giving that thing only. But they are basically agriculture graduate. If they are able to execute the CASI technology, then I think that will be wonderful things. So we have to focus in the coming days, that we have to focus on that way, so we can at least develop a kind of sustaining model. Like Dehat is working wonderful things, and other NGOs also. So how we can just attract more number of private sector, because these are the based on the business model. They have a kind of sustaining model. They are a profit oriented organization, but yes, they can at least do the long term business. So that could be a kind of synergistic approach. Other than that, we can in fact promote a small startups, entrepreneurship, or as a service provider, that we have at least few success stories. But yes, we can do many more. And no doubt, research and development institutes, we need to, they have their own role, and how we can collaborate this. So ultimately, we have to just make collaboration for learning, capacity building, and need to develop a kind of sustaining model, which is very much required. So with this, we can develop a sustaining model, and I'm sure that is Bihar state is doing a commendable job for promotion of CASI technology. So with this, thank you very much.